to misbehave and shop. You ask me why? If that's the tagline of her clothing line, well, you can guess how the clothes are going to be. Are you in the mood to misbehave?
I'm in the mood to shop, and I want everybody else to shop with me.
Well, I have the privilege at the moment to shop with Malaika. So, Malaika, it's this very dainty shop of yours. I love it. It's very, very pretty. Can we start? If you had to shop from it, what is the first thing that you would pick up? And why?
I have a lot of favorites over here, but I always say that there are certain essentials that you need
Sure.
in your wardrobe. One of them being the little black dress, as you say, the LBD.
Sure.
And look at, I mean, you can wear it just the way it is.
Sure.
You can accessorize it with one of our fantastic pieces of jewelry that we have. You can wear a jacket over it.
Now, when you go to work and you still want to look very feminine and pretty, something for that.
You have a whole lot of our wrap dresses over here. You have them in prints. All of these, which you can put a belt on them.
Sure.
And these, you can accessorize them. They fit great. They flatter your body.
Sure.
And at the same time, it's a little fun. It's not so boring and so office-like. And
What I've noticed about this collection that is, it is extremely fun and very young.
and affordable.
And affordable, yes, on that. So a Malaika or a Lionville being affordable is, I think, a great thing for your fans who want to be like you and stylish. Is that why you wanted to keep things...
I mean, that was one of my most number one criteria when we sat down on the line, that it has to be affordable. I mean, everybody should be able, every girl, all the way from from what 14 to 40, or should be able to pick it up without having to feel, oh my God, this is going to be too heavy on my pocket, or my month's pocket money, or whatever. It should be this, and at the same time you have a label in your closet, literally.
But what did Arbaz have to say? Did he like the collection? When
Yeah, I mean,
A man's point of view.
he's not very into what's in or what's out or what. But when he sees it together, when he sees it on me or this, then he says, "That looks great." And he asked me, "Is that from the label?" So I'm like, "Yeah." So I think he just leaves it to when he sees it on me. Otherwise, he's not somebody who can really tell good from bad or terrible.
A lot of Bollywood celebrities, a lot of actresses are coming up with their own labels. Sonam's come out with yours. You've come out with yours. Now I'm sure a lot more are doing accessories. Bipasha has an accessory line.
That's a
lot of
label.
correct. So you guys have a lot of competition now. People are going to be wearing. Someone's going to be flaunting the Pasha Basu accessory.
I think that's great because the label corp started with the home label with Suzanne, and it was all about furniture and not furniture, basically home accessories. From that we moved to the closet label with me, and now with Bipasha there's the trunk label. So it's really nice. It's like a nice closet family. Not closet family, it's like a label family. And we have fun, and the good thing is we all kind of help each other in terms of being out there.
Anything that pointers to people who want to shop, usually women get a lot of, I think everybody gets confused, and women really get confused as to what's going to suit them and what's going to not. So a few pointers I think they can keep in mind for dressing right and stylish.
See, firstly, if you're talking about shopping online, everybody tends to come, look, browse, and they're not too sure about, because at the end of the day, you can't really touch, feel, and hold, So I just like to tell everybody, come there, have a look, see what is, because it helps you right from start to finish. It helps you with sizes, it helps you with if putting things together, it helps you with how to go about the whole process. So try it out. I mean, there's no harm in making that first buy and actually seeing how it goes, and then eventually you'll know what works for you or what doesn't. That's at least when it comes to shopping online. But otherwise, if you have to ask me pointers, I just say stick with the basics, stick with things that suit your body type, and experiment every once in a while. Have color in your wardrobe. It perks you up, so do that.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Malaika. Well, there you are, as she says it. Two things keep in mind. Pick that suits you, and I think to keep things simple, you can choose something online from her collection. It's funky.
Shop. At the closet.
There you are. Thank you so much. I had a lot of fun. I hope you will too. Rudran Chadraj with camera person Hari. Zoom.